Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are going to a question where the north arrow, the north direction, may not be always pointing upward. Okay, so as you can see from this example here, the north arrow is actually pointing at a slanted direction. Okay, so there's something for us to take note of. So TC is a vertical building on a horizontal plane ABC. Okay, so we are given some of the information as well, where spot A is due south of C, spot B is 30 meter due east. So this tells me a very important clue. This tells me that there is a right angle here. There's one right angle here as well. Okay, so triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, angles of elevation of T from A and B are also given. Find the height of the building. Well, for this question, we are going to look at the triangle BCT. Why Mr. Tan choose that? Because the height of the building is my TC, and we are given the length of BC. We are also given the angle of elevation, which is 46 degrees. So for part A, if I were to sketch I will have this right angle triangle here, because TC as indicated here is vertically to it's a vertical building. Okay, I will have 46 degrees and 30 meters here, and TC is the question mark, opposite side with respect to this angle. This is my adjacent side. So given Tua Kaso, which of the three trigonometric ratios should I tap on to solve this problem? Yes, tangent ratio, as that will allow me to find my TC, which is my height of the building. And therefore, TC is simply, I multiply 30 on both sides. So my TC is simply 30 multiplied by tangent, 46 degrees, to give me a value of 31.0659. Final answer, 31.1 meter to 3SF. So that's for part A. Part B, now we are required to find the distance AC. Now that we know this length, which is the height, 31.0659. So when I look at the next triangle, TCA, you do need to note that this is actually a right angle triangle as well, because TC is a vertical building. Right, so for part B, which I'm going to write it out here. Part B, I'm going to write it out here. You will then see Mr. Tan sketching this TAC out as well. And we already know TC previously, 31.0659. We need to find my AC. We got the 30 degrees here. So with respect to this 30 degree, I will have my opposite side and my adjacent side. And with our focus on this right angle triangle, which of the trigonometric ratio should I use? Yes, OA, OA. I am going to use tangent ratio again. Opposite over adjacent side, and doing some algebraic manipulation, multiply AC on both sides and dividing tangent 30 degrees on both sides will give me this particular step. And this will give me a value of 53.8077, 53.8 meter to 3SF. And now, for my part C, where we are required to find the bearing of B from A. Okay, so from where is the north arrow? North arrow is here, since we are talking about bearing. From A, the north arrow has been drawn, and from the north arrow, draw in a clockwise direction until it reaches the ending line. The ending line is my line AB. And so this is the bearing that we are required to find. Okay, so we are going to be focusing on the triangle. So for part C, I'm going to draw the sketch of triangle ABC now. Which is a right angle triangle. Okay, and we have 30, and we just find the length AC. AC is 53.8077, and we are required to find this particular angle. Therefore, we can again tap on our knowledge of Tuakaso to solve this problem. With respect to angle BAC, this is my opposite side, this is my adjacent side. O and A, yes, we are going to be using tangent ratio once again. So tangent ratio of angle BAC is equals to opposite over adjacent side. So my angle BAC will be equals to the tangent inverse of this particular fraction. And this will give me 29.1415. 29.1 degrees to 1 decimal place. And this happens to be my bearing, yes? So not forgetting, do remember the bearing. We don't need to present our answer neatly. Of B from A, this important, is equals to 0 to 9.1 degrees. Because all bearing has to be written in 3 digits starting from the ones. With that, we have come to the end of this video or this example. So if you like this video at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.